everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a lobster tail in air fryer, and it's very easy to make, and it's a super tasty and super delicious lobster tail in air fryer. And let's get started. I'm going to use one lobster tail and I will cut it open and I will show it to you, and we're going to add these spices: red chili flake, salt, pepper, these always to taste, parsley flake, unsalted butter, and lemon juice. Get a cutting board and place lobster tail on top of it. I'll cut it open, just put it right here. And these are fresh lobster. Once you cut it open like this, don't cut it all the way through, leave it up to here. Now you need a butter knife. So on the each side, you lift it up like this and then you go like this. It sticks to it and you just do it like this. Press it like this. So now it's open up, and now we're going to go turn it, and we're going to do the same process on this side. So you open this, now we're going to grab it from here and do it like this. See how nicely? The lobster tail. Now we're going to pull like this. Once you pull it, you go all the way back like this. Then on this side, the same thing. And leave it like this. And now we're going to grab it from here and close it and put it on top of it like this. Look at this. Now we're going to marinate the lobster tail. This is what I have done with the lemon and butter. I melted the butter and put the lemon inside. And now we're going to use all these spices to taste. Parsley flake. Get a brush, mix it well. And this is going to be our coating. So now I'm going to get the lobster tail and we're going to marinate. So get the lobster tail and we're going to make sure that we coated it nicely. You can lift it up and marinate at the bottom side like this. So this is perfect, and now we'll take this one to air fryer. So plug in your air fryer and we're going to open the basket. Grab the lobster tail and place it right in here, just like this. And push it in. So we're going to start it, and the time we're going to keep it for 10 minutes, and as for the temperature, we're going to keep it 400 degree Fahrenheit, and we'll press it. Within 10 minutes our lobster tail will be ready. We're almost done. It's one more minute to go. It's all done, and now I'm going to open it. I'll open it. I have my plate ready, and let me take it out and let me share with you. And prior to serving, we're going to put some more butter lemon on top of it. Lobster tail in air fryer. In 10 minutes, it's all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. Serve with steamed vegetable. I have a broccoli. It's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.